my beautiful crafty friends. I hope you're all doing very well and having an incredible day. I'm sorry I haven't been around as much as I would like lately. I missed last week's video. It has been a hectic couple of weeks, oh my gosh. There's a lot going on in the summertime for me, and it's really hard to get consistent content out. I'm really trying, but I can't always do it, so I hope you'll forgive me for that. Yeah, it's been a busy couple weeks at the restaurant that I work at, like very, very busy. And it was my birthday on the 1st, so I had a wee little gathering, a little barbecue party, and had a little too much wine, and recovery is not as quick as it used to be. I'm 47 years young, but yeah, the recovery takes a little longer than it ever used to do. But I am here now, and I have a quick and simple album tutorial for you. I used both the Mintay Woodland collection, just a few sheets, about 10 sheets of the 6x6 collection, and then I made my own papers to accompany it. And I made them, I did acrylic pouring on cardstock, and then once those were dry, I scanned them and then and put them in my computer and made a paper collection. So I used those as well, and they are available in my Etsy shop right now, so you can go check those out. And yeah, so this will be a 3-part tutorial: the construction of the album, the decorating of the album, and then I did a air dry clay cover of a forest scene. So that will be the 3rd part. Alright, so without further ado, let's check out the walkthrough of the album, and then the first part of the tutorial will come out tomorrow. Okay, I love you all, and I hope you're all awesome! Be kind to one another and find your rainbow. Bye! Okay, so here is the album. The pages are 6x8 and the cover is just slightly bigger than that. The cover is an air dry clay forest scene that I created, and part 3 of this free tutorial will show you how I did that. All right, so let's get into it. So on the first page, I left the front and back covers really, really simple. This is one of the Mintay papers, as is this. Little swing tab there, metal leaf, and then that opens. And then throughout the album, I used these stickers that I got from AliExpress. I got a few different packs, and they were quite inexpensive, and I love them. I think I'm probably going to get more. I don't know what they're called. There's no English on the package, but if you just type in mushroom stickers or forest stickers or something, it usually comes up. And then this goes to the side, and then some of my own paper, and then a place for journaling. And that's the first page. And then on the 2nd and 3rd pages, I didn't do expandable binding on this, and part of me wishes that I had. I didn't think it would need it. They don't pop up too much, the pages, but I'm just so used to everything lying so flat. Anyway, it's fine. So this is one of the Mintay pages. This is kind of what inspired the whole deciding to do an extra collection, was this piece. And so this opens up. I've got a little wood embellishment there, and then it opens up again, and I've got some of my paper in there, and then a pocket down here with just a simple tag in the pocket. And then on the coordinating page, I used 2 of the little cut-aparts from the collection. So these both open like that, and then again more of the paper that I created. And then they both rotate out of the way here so that you can have a nice big photo there, and that's another one of my pieces. And then on the next pages, so this I thought was really cute. There's 2 little cut-aparts from the Mintay collection. And then in here, I just left them, I only glued them on 3 sides, and then I decided, I haven't written anything in there, but I thought you could maybe create a cute little secret message and then kind of like hide it in here and you don't even really know that it's a secret message in there. So this is a little waterfall, but I wanted it to be a waterfall with a twist, so it's technically not even a waterfall. I just wanted it to look like a waterfall. So I've only got paper on the first couple bits, and then I've just got strips. This is one of my papers, and so it goes to the side as opposed to going up and down. And then this is the end there, and you can like put a photo or a journal inside the wreath there, and then the whole thing opens up, and then more spots for both photos and journaling. And then on the next page, another one of these gorgeous Mintay papers, and then there's like these cute little, just made these cute little pull tab kind of things, and it opens to the top, and then it opens down, and then it opens up, and the bottom one does the same thing. So it's essentially a waterfall fold. All right, so it can pull, both of these can pull all the way up like this. All right, so you've got lots of space there. And then when you open both of them all the way up, got more of my paper design, and then these open to the sides, and I've just got some burlap leaves. Like I just got those at the dollar store. And then on the last page, another one of those laser cut wood pieces, again just from the dollar store. I get a lot of really cool supplies from there. And then these open up to the sides, and then this opens to the top, and then this whole thing opens to the bottom, and then just space there for a photo or journaling. And that's it. And then the back cover again is quite simple, but I love the papers, both my own and the Mintay papers, and I just wanted something that was like fairly simple. I'm really starting to like gear up, and next year I'm determined to do some craft fairs, so I wanted some albums that weren't overly complicated but kind of looked extravagant. So this will be a 3-part tutorial for free on my Etsy channel. The first part will be coming out tomorrow, and the paper pack, which has 40 different designs, is available in my Etsy store now, and it is called the Abstract Forest Digital Paper Collection. Alright, so I hope that you love this album, and I hope that you make it along with me. And have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you again very, very soon. Big hugs. Bye.